Piccolo versus Frost. Stake it all on the special beam cannon. Welcome back, Master Designers. Tonight I'm going to show you how to draw Third Form Frost from Dragon Ball Super. That's right. Once again, we are drawing Frieza's counterpart from the 6th universe. And much like the other heroes in Dragon Ball Super, Frost was also one of the contenders in the Tournament of Power. This transformation that Frost took on in the Tournament of Destroyers was known as his charging form. He used this form to take on thousands of space pirates and save all the warriors that have died in the war. That have died in the 6 universes plague. And let's not mention that he created a peacekeeping army. He led his own army and saved the universe. You know what? Since Frieza's race has the capability of turning gold, I've been meaning to find out that Frost can achieve this form as well after experiencing that fight against Frieza. It's been a long time since I've heard this song. And no, this character didn't come from a request from Nightmare Enterprises. I'm just really excited to draw this character. It's been a long time since I've drawn something based on Frost. Much like Frost, he's got that Pachycephalosaurus skull. Alexa, what is a Pachycephalosaurus?
Pachycephalosaurus is a genus of pachycephalosaurid dinosaurs. The type species, P. wyomingensis, is the only known species. It lived during the late Cretaceous period of what is now North America. Remains have been excavated in Montana, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Alberta. It was a herbivorous creature which is primarily known from a single skull and a few extremely thick skull roots, at 9 inches thick.
Alexa, what is Stygimoloch?
Digimon, Digital Monsters is an action show starring Stephen Bloom, Mona Marshall, and Tiffany Kristen. A group of young teens is unexpectedly sent to the mysterious digital world and paired up with their own powerful, morphing monster called the Digimon. Together the entire group set out on an adventure to fight evil and save the world. The series has an IMDb rating of 7.3 out of 10 and is rated TVY7.
I love that song. Goku. I bet Goku will get the chance to fight Frost again. Lastly, we draw his tail. Alexa, what is Micropachycephalosaurus?
According to an Alexa Answers
Alexa, what is Micropachycephalosaurus?
Thanks for letting me know.
Oh, come on. Alexa, what is a Micropachycephalosaurus?
According to an Alexa Answers
Come on, really? What's up with him today? Alexa, what is a Psittacosaurus?
Psittacosaurus is a genus of extinct ceratopsian dinosaur from the early Cretaceous of what is now Asia, existing between 126 and 101 million years ago. It is notable for being the most species-rich non-avian dinosaur genus. Up to 12 species are known, from across China, Mongolia, Siberia, and possibly Thailand and Laos.
Alexa, what is Tenontosaurus?
According to Wikipedia, Tenontosaurus is a genus of medium to large-sized ornithopod dinosaur. The genus is known from the late Action to Albian ages of the Middle Cretaceous period sediments of western North America, dating between 115 and 108 million years ago. The genus contains 2 species, Tenontosaurus tilleti and Tenontosaurus doci.
I'm glad I got to hear that. Anyways, that's how you draw first form Frost. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Thanks for watching.